I'm looking for products in these shops to sell using Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA is where you buy products, you send them into Amazon's warehouse, they will store them, they will advertise them, they will sell them, they'll dispatch them to your customer, and they will deal with all the customer service and the returns. In today's video, we're actually heading out and about using the retail arbitrage method. This is where you go into high street shops. It might be Tesco, it might be B&M, it might be Homebase, and you go through scanning the barcodes of loads of products, trying to find deals which are cheaper in store and are selling more on Amazon. You will then just keep the profit in between. So first up, let's head into boots.
£5 to 30 sales a month. £1.50 profit per unit.
We only actually found one product in Boots, and it was this Oral-B Pro Expert toothpaste. Now this product we could buy in Boots for £6, but with a Boots Advantage card you could actually buy it for £3, so you were saving 50%. And after we scanned it using the Profitl app, we could see it was selling on Amazon for £8.95. You should be able to see all the data on the screen, what we were looking at on the app. So as you can see, it sells between 5 to 30 units a month, which isn't a huge amount, but this one didn't currently have much competition on the listing, so that means you can go for products which aren't selling quite as much. We know it was a new product because it only had 2 reviews, however both of them were 5-star, which is always a good sign. And this one had a really good profit margin, so it's making 53% ROI, meaning £1.58 profit per unit. So to give you a quick understanding of the profit range on this product, with them sales and that profit, that would give us a profit range of £7.90 to £47.40. Now, it is really important to take them figures with a slight pinch of salt. Obviously, you're not going to be able to get that much stock because you're buying it from a retailer and they only have limited stock in store, and obviously there is a chance that the price may come down a little, but you can only go off the data, and according to the data at this time they are the expected figures. But that is why you just want to be using a profit range, just because it gives you a better understanding of that. Your profitability may change just a little bit, but as long as it is in profit and you have a lot of room for movement, that is always a good sign. So after heading into Boots, we then went on to Sports Direct, so let's see the footage.
So these are 2 for £13, so £6.50 each, 30 to 90 units a month, 50% ROI, not bad. Not bad.
Yeah, it's good to have a catchphrase.
So the first product we found in Sports Direct were these Sondico Goldie gloves for kids. So we could buy them for £6.99, and when we scanned them on the Profitl app, we could see they were selling on Amazon for £12.72. So when we scanned this one, we could see that the sales were really good. So it's between 180 to 360 a month, but this was a variation listing, so it will be split across them products. But it had decent reviews, so 605 reviews, and it was 4.5-star rated. We want good reviews because obviously the better the reviews, the less likely it's going to get returned. Returns cost us money, and we want to try and keep as much money as we can. There was only 4 other FBA sellers on this listing, which was really promising because it means not too much competition. Profit wasn't amazing on this one, so it was making £1.91, and it was only 27% ROI. So some people may not go for this one just because it's under the 30%. Ideally, you want over 30% if you can. But obviously it's only 3 under, so it's not the end of the world. So if we use that profit figure of £1.91 per unit and the sales of 180 to 360 pounds a month, that would give us a profit range of 343 up to 687, so a really good potential profit. And as always, please do take that with a pinch of salt, but this product would definitely make us profit if we was to send it into Amazon's warehouse. Now, the second and final product we found from Sports Direct were these Dunlop squash balls. So hopefully you can see the data on the screen again, we could buy 2 of these for £13, so they were £6.50 each. When we scanned it on the Profitl app, we could see it was selling on Amazon for £13.62. So let's run through the data. It had good sales, 30 to 90 units a month, 32 reviews rated 4.5 star, and this one did have a decent profit, so 50% return on investment, meaning £3.23 profit per unit. Now the big downside of this one was the number of FBA sellers, so there was 15 other FBA sellers. That obviously means there's a lot more competition. We did check how much stock they did have, and it wasn't too bad, but some people may get put off by this amount of sellers on a listing. Now let's quickly go through the profit range again. So with end sales and that profit per unit, that would give us a profit range of £96.60 at the bottom end and £290.70 at the top end. So that was all we found in Sports Direct. So next up we went up to Home Bargain, so let's run the footage.
One, 5,499, selling for 10.75. There we go. 30 to 90 units a month, selling for 15.59. ROI 48%, £3.32 profit per unit.
So we only actually found 2 good products in Home Bargains. We wasn't in there for too long. Both of them were quite good. They did just have quite a few FBA sellers, which meant more competition. The first one we found was this Marvel Avengers helicopter toy. So we could buy this in Home Bargains for £6.99. And when we scanned it on the Profitl app, it was selling for £15.59 on Amazon. Now let's run through all the data on this product to see how it was doing. So not too bad sales, between 30 to 90 units a month. So a nice sales range. Not too bad reviews, 489. 4-star rated. Decent profit on this one, so £3.32 profit per unit with a 48% return on investment. But as I did mention, quite a lot of FBA sellers on this one, so 17 FBA sellers. Personally, I would avoid this product. I do know some of our members would go for this, but personally, I would stay away. That is just too many for us. Even if them sellers don't have loads of stock, it's just so many people who are likely to be undercutting each other. They don't understand how best to manage their prices on Amazon. But forgetting that and looking at the profit range on the bottom sales and that profit per unit figure, that would give a monthly range of £99.60 to £298.80. And the 5th and final product we found was again in the toy section, and it was this Playgrow ball. We could buy this one for £4.99, and when we scanned it on the Profitl app, it was selling on Amazon for £10.75. Now let's run through all the data again. So not too bad sales, 30 to 90 units a month, lots of reviews, so 1,137, 4.5 star rated. Not a crazy profit on this one, so it was only making about 30% return on investment, which is about our minimum, and that meant £1.49 profit per unit. And again, this one was even worse, so 20 FBA sellers, so we did avoid this one. Of course, you'll have your own preferences on what is a good deal and what isn't a good deal. So with them sales of 30 to 90 a month and that profit of £1.49, that will give us a profit range of £44.70 all the way up to £134. So that's how we got on doing just 1 hour of retail arbitrage. So if we add up all them total potential profits, at the bottom end it would be £589 all the way up to £1,456, which is just crazy. Now a quick disclaimer about them figures, please do take them with a pinch of salt. It is very unlikely you'd actually end up with profit that high. The prices will come down for sure. You've obviously got a lot of competition on the listing and you won't be able to get all that stock. But the idea of this video is just to show the potential of Amazon FBA and spending such a short amount of time doing it. And just a reminder, all these prices were correct at the time of filming, but there is a good chance as it goes out, people will start to buy it and the prices do come right down. So we hope you found that video interesting and showed you the potential of Amazon FBA. If you haven't started yet and you are interested in joining Profitl, we do have an exclusive YouTube discount code which will just pop up right here. And please make sure to subscribe to our channel so you're notified when we do put out more videos. We do also have a sister channel which is for shorts, which we'll also link up here, so make sure to check that out. And if you are intrigued about Amazon FBA, we have done a full video course on YouTube for free, which I'll just link up here. I'm sorry, I know this is a lot of links, but make sure to take all these down. It is all valuable information. But thank you so much for watching. Please let us know in the comments any other videos you'd like us to make, and we will see you in the next one.